Check it, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to the channel. Mark, that's me. My words, as always, before we do get into this very quick video, please continue to hit that subscribe button down there. And if you are enjoying the content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Cheers, troops. Here we are, spooky Monday, Halloween, the 31st of October, 2022, as we head into a new trading week. And boy, was last week action-packed or what? It was quite an exciting week last week on the stonks, price-wise and news-wise. So let's get into it right now. First of all, AMC, if you've been watching my videos, you did know that last week I've been talking about this area here around this 640 zone, which we broke last week. I did say I wanted to see a clean break above that. We did do that on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday just here, we did tip just a little bit below it, but we managed to close above it. So that, for me, troops, is positive. And what I'd like to see now is a continuation of that into this week to confirm that move out of this little downtrend here and confirm this upwards move here. If we just pop this on here, look, here we go, and just see if we can maintain this kind of area and get some consolidation going maybe before the next move up. APE, slightly disappointing on APE last week. We did give back most of the gains that we've made over recent days, back down to that low $2 area from a high, I think, let me just check, of 281. However, what I will say is we got a nice pattern here, troops. Got a lovely cup and handle pattern here. There's the cup and there is the handle. Where are we? There. There's the handle there, look. And generally what you would expect to see is a move off of the cup and handle in an upward direction. So again, looking for a bounce. Looks set for a bounce because that is an area there of former support and resistance at that $2 area. So if we get a bounce off that, absolutely fantastic. Moving over to GameStop. Juicy. You know, we've been in this channel for a while now, troops. We've been following this. And last week, we managed to break out of it. You can see there, we're popped above that. Again, as with AMC over the last few weeks, what I want to see here is a consolidated move above and out of that channel. And in pre-market today, we are currently trading 3.5% up, which would open us above that. Would like to see us staying above that and then make a move on the next level in that 29 kind of dollar area. We're already over that 29.21 in pre-market. So let's see. The big news with GameStop last week, in case you missed it, I'm sure you haven't, is the Ortex data. So much going on around that, troops. And to be honest, it's the first time in a long time that I've actually sat up and been interested and excited by something that is hyping GameStop, shall we say, because there's been no explanation so far. And Ortex have been coming out with some excuses on why they can't show the data at the moment. They're looking, they're investigating. They've got other stakeholders that they need to consider first. Well, in my opinion, I mean, you go onto a forum like Superstonk on Reddit and you start putting out statements, you've got to be prepared to back yourself up, 100% prepared, because those guys over there are relentless. And there are thousands of them, and they will pick apart anything that you say. And unfortunately for Ortex, they've gone on there, they've made a statement, and everybody has been saying, show us the data, show us the data, let us see, let us investigate. I've seen some brilliant due diligence on Reddit, on Superstonk, and I tell you what, if I would trust anybody, any group of people with data, it would be those people. Because they are super smart, super intelligent, super quick, super thorough. So I'm interested to see how that plays out this week. What I will say is, when you get headlines like this, stock pops amid Ortex short squeeze frenzy. It's not a short squeeze frenzy at all. What did we gain last week? A few dollars? That's that's not a short squeeze frenzy. That's the beginnings of a move up, troops. Because when this goes, it'll go and you'll hear all about it. I'm telling you, there was the guy from S3 who said if it goes above 30, it'll go parabolic. Parabolic for me is, you know, nowhere near $30. And is that a threshold? I don't know. Looking at the chart, we can see we've got an area here. Let me just put the chart back on. We've got an area here around about the $30 mark. I guess you could say yes, there's going to be some resistance there. And if we do get a pop above it, we've got some room to move up. But to be honest, I'm not really interested until we start getting into, you know, previous figures, shall we say. So that is it, troops. It was a very, very exciting week for me. A lot going on. And I'm really looking forward to this week to see how it all plays out. November the 2nd is what's November the 2nd? Oh yeah, firstly, it's my birthday, 47 years on this lovely planet of ours. So there's that. But I think it's also interest rate notification from the Fed. So do keep an eye out for that as well and see how that affects the market. But all in all, very exciting times, troops. Really looking forward to this week. But that's it from me. As always, I do hope you've enjoyed the content. If you have, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, do consider subscribing. Trying to get to 1,000 before Christmas, before my 2-year PooTube anniversary. So do help me get there. I am 47 subscribers shy of 1,000. I would really like that. It'd be the greatest Christmas birthday present wombo combo that you guys could give me. With that being said, as always, wherever you are in the world, do take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.